Here's a little deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Bit of a mixture, a couple of bits of matrix material, Koroite, and another piece of Boulder. Might be able to grind that down and get another little stone out of the end there perhaps, I don't know. This piece has sort of been pre-formed. Lower grade piece of Koroite. Nice pattern, it's got a couple of hollows in it, which quite often happens with Koroite material. Piece of matrix. Double-sided. Here's another piece of matrix with a bit broader flash here. Getting the green there come through. Over on this side. Colour up this side here. Not as strong, I don't think, and it's showing there, coming through. Anyway, little parcel, something to get started on cutting boulder. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.